Hello friends, I'm Imran and you are watching Technology Tips. Today we have the Hero H3i camera, which we will unbox and connect to our mobile.
The Dahua Hero H3i is a 3 megapixel indoor Wi-Fi pan and tilt security camera. This camera is AI powered with human and pet detection. It provides excellent video due to its 3 megapixel image quality. You can see more of its features on box. Now we are going to open its box. In the box we have found a camera, an adapter and a USB cable. Now we will connect this camera to the mobile. First turn on the camera and open DMSS app in your mobile. You have to log in it with your phone number or Gmail. Press add button. Press add device. Press allow for Bluetooth. Press scan QR code. Scan the QR code below the camera. Press next. Press again next. Press allow. Press next. Select the Wi-Fi network and type the password. Press next. Press next. Again press next. Camera is connecting. You can rotate it with PTZ. The image quality of this camera is excellent. You can also connect this camera with DVR or NVR. But it's an indoor camera and it's not waterproof.